In some cases, you're not going to find the Fit to Input Layers option in the Output Region tab. This is because for some algorithms, there's not enough information in the input layers to fill the information needed for the Output Region tab. For example, let's have a look at this algorithm that I'm executing right now. It's called Create Random Vector Layer. We see the parameters window. We have to tell Sextante the number of features we want to create, and then the type of features that we want to create. In this case, we are creating a new layer, a new vector layer with 10 points. But there's not enough information here about the extent because we are not taking any layer, no raster layer, no vector layers, just number of points and the type of features that we are going to create. For this reason, if we go to Output Region, we are not going to find this Fit to Input Extent. We have to select one of the other ones. For example, let's say that I want to fill that layer that you see there in the background. It's a detail elevation model that I want to put 10 points that are all of them contained within the extent of that layer. I would select Use Extend from Layer, and here I will select the dem.asc, which is the name of the layer that contains the detail elevation model. Although I'm not creating a raster layer, Sextante will ask me for a cell size. Anyway, it's not going to use it, so I don't have to change that value in here. Now I have enough information. Parameters tab, the Output Region tab. I can press OK, and I will see my new layer created here. This layer is in a different view than the input layer because Sextante doesn't have any way of knowing where to put it, because there's no relation between this layer that I have created and the previous one, because the previous one I used it just for the extent, not as the input. So what I'm going to do is to copy this one here and put it in the other view where the detail elevation model is. Copy and paste. So now you can see that all the points are within the extent of the layer that I selected to define the output extent.